Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, we're going to look at and we're going to go and drive how to approach roundabouts in a manual car. So how to approach roundabouts. Many learners in the beginning, they find roundabouts difficult how to approach in a manual car. Firstly, because of the rules, which lanes, and then how to approach. When should they look? How should they look on their right? How should they check the blind spot before changing lane? So these are the things you're going to look at on roundabouts in a manual car. Let's start the lesson. So driving in a manual car, approaching roundabouts. Like I said, many learners in the beginning, they find it difficult dealing with roundabouts, especially when they're approaching roundabouts in a manual car. Firstly, my advice is make sure you fully understand the rules of roundabouts. Okay, make sure you fully understand the lane, the signaling, checking blind spots as you're coming off. Okay, first advice I would give you is that make sure you master the MSPSL routine. Okay, the last thing you need is you go to a roundabout and you're trying to remember the MSPSL. You don't remember the MSPSL routine. So that's the first thing you should do, is to memorize MSPSL routine. So what is MSPSL routine? What is it? Mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. Remember, when you're approaching roundabout or any junction, you should do the MSPSL routine. So what's the first thing you do? You're approaching the roundabout, mirror, 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 depending where you're going. If you're going left, mirror, mirror. If you're going right, mirror, mirror. Or even if you're going straight on the roundabout, mirror, mirror. And then what do? Signal, and then position, and then speed, and then look. Okay, so these are the five one by one you need to do. If you could memorize that, that way it helps you to remember what you need to do one by one. Okay, and if you master those five things, it will help you to approach roundabouts more easily. Why? Because that is what you need to do when you're approaching a roundabout. That is all you need. Okay, so as before we go to the roundabout, you will see how I put those five things into practice. It's those five things. If you could remember those five things and how to put those five things into practice, firstly, if you don't remember those five things, how are you going to put it into practice? So you have to remember, you have to memorize in your mind. So naturally, as soon as you approach a roundabout, first thing you do is mirror, and then signal, and then position, and then speed, and then look. So naturally, that should just come automatically. Okay, so memorize that first. Make sure you remember when you go to the roundabout now. If you could see how I put those five things into practice, it will help you to remember. It will help you to see, and hopefully, when you approach your roundabout, you should be able to do it easily. Traffic light coming up. I got a few cars in front. What do? Mirror, and then just cover the brake and brake. Brake, brake, brake. Now put the clutch down. Okay? Just because you want to brake or stop, don't put the clutch down. Okay? Don't put the clutch down. Clutch down at the end. So what did I do? Off gas, cover the brake. I just covered it. I didn't even do anything. And then I slowed the car with the brake. And then what did I do? Just before the car stops, I put the clutch down. Okay, many learners, especially in the beginning, they get worried. They worry too much the car is going to stop or is going to stall. They put the clutch down too early. Okay, so that's coasting. I am sure you know what coasting is. Do you know what coasting is? Coasting is where you put the clutch down too early and you're just driving with the clutch down. Remember, when the clutch is down, your gear is not working. You disconnect the engine from gear, and even though you're in a gear, you don't get the engine braking. Remember, when the car is in gear, you are still getting some engine braking. So when you brake, as well as engine braking is also there working. If you put the clutch down, then you're just braking. There's no engine braking, which means you have to brake harder to stop the car. And in a situation where you need to brake hard to stop, to save something, you probably will skid. So to avoid that, you want to make sure that you don't put the clutch down too early. I'm going to go left here. That's good. On the way going, let's see if we've got a space here on the hill. Mirror, mirror, stop somewhere safe on the left. Mirror, mirror, signal left. There's a bus stop. Can I drive on it? Yes, you can. I cannot stop on it, but I can drive on it. Okay, put the clutch down. Did I put the clutch on at the end? Yes, I did. Handbrake on, neutral, signal off. So when you stop, what's the first thing? You stop first, handbrake, neutral, signal off. Now move off. Clutch down, first gear, look around, blind spot, blind spot. I did put the signal on, mirror, second gear. The examiner will ask you to stop few times and then move off to check if you could pull up nice and safely and then move off safely. So make sure you pull up somewhere safely. There was a bus stop there. I went over it, but I didn't stop on it. If I stop on it, I will fail. Okay. Roundabout coming up is a mini one. We're going to go right, second exit. Mini one, right, second exit. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Check my position, which is one lane. Slow down. Approach my speed. Speed around 10 to 15. Now go to second gear. 10 to 15 second gear. Look on my right. No one coming. No one coming. And go round. Mirror, mirror. And I don't have to signal to come off because it's a tiny one. It's a small one. On a mini one, to go right, you signal right. And as you're coming off, you don't have to signal. Why? Because you were already out. You don't need to signal, okay? Speed here is 20. Okay, so as you're driving, read the road. Make sure you know what the speed is. There's a road here. Anyone coming from here? It's 20. I left it to second gear. Why? Because it's on a hill. You need more power. So I'm leaving it on second. If it was a flat 20, I would have gone to third gear. Traffic light going to go left. Mirror, mirror. We're not going to signal now because there's a road here. We would have if the road wasn't there. Because that road there, mirror, mirror, now signal. Why? Because otherwise people is going to think you're going in there. Okay? Going to go here. Now put the clutch down. Now go to first gear. Give gas. Look around. Make sure there's no one there. And go in. Traffic light is green. When I go in, this traffic light is red, but it's not yours. How do you know? Because there's no stop line here. This is for the cars coming from the back. Okay? If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. So make sure you recognize that when you go left on the traffic light, as soon as you enter, if there's a traffic light, and if it's red, look on the floor quickly, and if there's a stop line there, it means you have to stop. If there's no stop line, you don't need to stop. Why you don't stop? Because it's not for you, it's for the traffic behind you. The road that you've entered is for them. Okay? Mirror, roundabout's coming up. Okay, roundabout's coming up. Slow the car, just slow the car, slow the car. Now put the clutch down to chain gear. Now clutch up gently. Done. Good, mirror. Just relax when you're driving. I mean, that's the word I always use. Relax. Relax is the medicine. Is the medicine for you to be a good driver, pass the test, drive without being nervous, anxious. Just relax. I mean, that's the medicine. For you to pass the test, actually, I'm going to go right, third exit on the roundabout. Right, third exit. Can you see it? First, second, third is after 12 o'clock. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Check my position, which is right. Check my speed. Where do I look? Look on my right. Look on my right. Okay? Look on my right. Speed is, it's already second gear. There's plenty of cars. Now I'm going to go. Now, no problem. Most of them went the other way. Mirror. Good. Third exit. First, you need to count, okay? That's number one. One coming up is number two. After that is three, okay? So number two is there. Mirror, mirror. And signal left, blind spot, lane change. Lane change. Beautiful. There was a car, but I saw and I had the space to go in. Beautiful. Now what do I do? Third exit on the right, third on the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Blind spot, lane change. There was a car, but far away. I had this space to go. Make sure you recognize that. third on the right. Okay, look on my right, look on my right. Speed is perfect, 15, good. 10, 15, so 15 was good this time. Number one, third on the right, third on the right. Number two, signal, put it back on. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Blind spot, blind spot, lane change. Okay, this roundabout will try to come round all the way. Okay, fourth on the right. Mirror, mirror, signal right. Signal right, fourth on the right. It's a mini one. Not mini really, it's medium. Okay, so number one, number two, speed depending on how big. Number three, mirror, mirror, signal left. Blind spot, come out. Good. Okay, it wasn't a mini, it was medium size, so you had the time to signal. Signal left, you're going to go left. Look on my right. On my right. Now I'm coming. Done. Okay. Now we're gonna go second exit straight ahead. Second exit straight ahead. Mirror. Mirror. Okay, I'm gonna go to third gear because it's quite far. Second exit straight ahead. Mirror. Brake. Brake. More brake. More. Look on my right. Brake more. It's a bend here. Make you deal with the bend. Second gear before the bend. 15 miles per hour. Look on my right. There's no one coming. Enter the roundabout into the left lane. Into the left lane. No signal yet. Now mirror, mirror. Now signal. Halfway, put the signal on. Stay in the middle of your lane. Middle of your lane. Mirror. Make sure the throttle doesn't change. There could be somebody pressing the button. Mirror. Just relax. How are you feeling? Feeling okay? How's your roundabouts? Do you find problem with roundabouts? How are you dealing with roundabouts? The secret is, one is to get to know the roundabouts, the rules and the lanes and signaling, and to check the blind spots, all that. Secondly is to memorize the MSPSL routine. So these are the two things you must memorize for you to deal with roundabouts well, okay? So get to know the roundabouts, understand roundabouts fully, the MSPSL routine, okay? Mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. Memorize it. That's the secret, okay? Traffic light is red, so I wait here. Handbrake, neutral. I'm the first car. I'm still doing it because I could get ready quickly. If you're the first car in the queue on the traffic light, you could get ready a bit earlier so that you avoid taking it too long. So you are helping the car behind. I got quite a few cars behind me. So you don't wanna be too slow and hold them behind. In my case, because I could get ready quickly. So as soon as I know it's changing, I could get ready. If you're the third car onwards, or even second car onwards, then just go to neutral anyway. The car in front, by the time they get ready, you'll be ready to go. So you got plenty of time to get ready. First car, you don't have any time. You have to get ready because you're the first one. If you take too long, then the problem is for the car behind. So in the beginning, maybe if you're the first car, get ready. And if you're a second car onwards, especially third car onwards, you got plenty of time before they get ready. Okay? Driving in the middle of my lane, look ahead, far ahead. Roundabout coming up, we're gonna go first exit left. First left. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Look on my right. Position is left. Second gear. Speed is perfect. Look on my right. Now I'm coming. Done. On this roundabout, we're going to follow Lee. L-E-E, Lee. Look on the sign. And as you can see, Lee is the second one straight ahead at 12 o'clock. Can you see? 12 o'clock, second straight. Which lane do I need? Left lane. But in this case, left is not going straight. We need the middle lane. Okay? So what does the sign say? Lee is the straight ahead second exit. Straight ahead second exit, which means we need to go straight. We need the left lane normally. In this case, it's saying left lane is only for left. What does that mean? It means we can't use that lane. We have to be in the middle lane in this case. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Second exit. That's first, second exit. So we signal left. Okay? and then we haven't come out yet. So when we come here, we come out already. Remember, Lee, we are following Lee, L-E-E. What does it say here? Lee. Second exit straight. Sorry, second exit on the left. You could say, yeah. Can you see it? It's before 12 o'clock. Second. So you can't signal now. So you have to take the signal off over there. For this one, don't signal yet. Look on my right. Look on my right. Slow down. So the second gear. Okay. Left lane. Mirror, mirror. Now signal left. It's saying road ahead closed. I'm going to go in. Road ahead closed is saying. Okay. Stay in the left lane. In the left lane. Perfect. There you go. Mirror, mirror. Okay. Anyone coming? No one coming. There's a bend coming up over there. It says new road layout. Make sure you read the signs as you're driving. Speed here is what? 60. 60, yeah? Mirror. Speed here is 60. There we go. What does that sign say? It says bend. And also there's a road joining. That is why the sign is there. The bend is here. Road is joining. So why do we have that sign? So that we know if there's anybody coming from there. By that sign we knew there was a road joining. Okay. So I hope you understand how to approach roundabouts. It helps you to remind you that first of all, get to know the rules of roundabouts, and secondly, memorize the MSPSL routine. Okay, and then just keep on doing it. Just practice. Okay, as long as you know the rule, the lanes and the signaling and all that, and then you have the MSPSL routine memorized, you'll be okay after practicing few times. And then it will be a matter of time. Practice, and you will be fine. Okay, so I hope this video helped just to remind you how to approach roundabouts. If you need extra help on learn to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. Everything a learner needs for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. It has more than 30 videos in the course giving you everything you need. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.